The Rapture, Here Now and God Tomorrow by Dolly Ronnai explains the Christian idea as allegory for a more advanced intellectual, mental, internal event that when there's a falling away of religion, which means when people begin to lie as a process, as a way to get ahead without concern for the truth. This is the falling away of religion, and this starts the process of there being a, quote, rapture at some point where the authorities are all not telling the truth, they're lying, they're putting the truthful people in prison, and they're exalting themselves, and the world begins to collapse. And now when that starts to happen, the outer world collapsing, those inner minds, which have a brain, see it happening, and they start to be concerned, and that concern brings them up into a higher mental area, because where the foundation of mind and the world's at the bottom, mind, God's at the top. Then you have these different planes in between, the emotional plane, the mental planes, and then the God planes. And so those minds that are of a higher element, that understand the nature of telling the truth, the importance of telling the truth, they rise up and come together into one entity, not exactly an entity, but one group. They group together, and just as a company is a group of people, and or a corporate board or something, and then they start to just automatically start thinking about how they're going to make the world return to a state of where it will survive, a state of intellect and logic and knowledge, and of being equal to all and brothers to each other and all that. And then once that happens, then the kingdom of God, as the Rapture says in the Bible, descends to earth. These people take over the positions of power and restore the outer world to its former glory, to to a functioning, free and judicial society. My book, the Rapture, explains this. It's on pre-order, available on pre-order now. Metaphysics 102, its companion, or the first of the series, is available now to purchase on major book retailers. It's short reads, but they're good. They'll get you to the point. You don't waste time. Thank you.